guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you a weekend vlog. Guys, remember this living room project? I am so excited to finally finish this space. This is at my neighbor's house, and you guys, I found the perfect coffee table, exactly what I envisioned for this space. And this one is from Homary, and honestly, you guys, the price was right on point. If you're still not familiar with Homary, you guys are missing out. They have a great selection of furniture and also home decor and very unique pieces at very good prices. So this table came in 2 boxes, so the legs came in this box and everything was pretty well packed per usual. I love how well everything comes packed from Homary. And I'm here just kind of putting things together, and now it's time to open the top because this is gonna be a travertine top. And oh my goodness, I was so nervous to open this, but when I saw it I was like, oh my god. So look at that beauty, you guys. Exactly what I wanted for this area. This is a 43 inches Japandi oval travertine stone coffee table from Homary. I am absolutely in love. The best part, you guys, was the assembly process. It was a breeze, and I think my friend's husband agrees with me. He was happy. He didn't have to work too hard. In the market for a travertine coffee table that won't break the bank, this one's for you. Check the link on the description box and don't forget to use my code to save 14% off. This coffee table comes in 3 finishes: natural, black, and walnut. It's time to dress the walls, and I decided to give this living room a gallery wall. So let's do it. We got some frame from Amazon. Now it's time to bring the gallery wall to life. First thing you do is measure, you guys. Make sure you agree on the display that you want to create. I wanted a very monochromatic type of display, very muted, at the same time very clean looking. I don't like the overly crowded wall designs. So yes, let's do this. Shout out to my friend's husband, he always comes through. He's there hanging those frames for us. He is the best. Travertine coffee table was the final touch to this living room makeover. It is timeless. It completely elevated the room. The family gallery wall made this space feel warm, personal, and lived in. I love it. Now it was time to give my home a little love, and you guys know that I love to reset my home every Sunday. Here we're just gonna put a rug, and yes, before you come at me in the comments, I did purchase the same rug that I used to have because I love it, because it's affordable and it works for us, but somehow it got ruined, the previous one. There was a stain that we just couldn't get it out, and you know me, I cannot live with any stains. So here we are, putting the rug, a brand new one. Why not? Because yeah, we're gonna do this. About this rug, you guys, is that it's huge and it's come folded. So of course we have to steam it, put boxes on top of it. You're gonna see the whole drama that I do to get rid of those lines, of course, because you know we gotta work hard when they come so folded like this. So you guys know I love my Lindsay Home sofas because these are so easy to clean, you guys. All you do is take those cushions out and throw them in the washer. Here I'm just gonna vacuum because if you have kids, you know you gotta vacuum the sofa. You know, if you know, you know. Honestly, you guys, I was so busy for springtime that I didn't really do much when it came to decorating the house for the season like I usually do. But hey, it is what it is. Life is busy and you don't have to. It's okay if you skip a season. It's okay if you don't decorate every single season. So just remember, it's okay. And besides, things are extremely expensive now. So you have to like rearrange what you have and move it from places to places like I always told you. So here I'm just, kind of refreshing this little area with items that I already had in my home. You guys, life has been a little different lately for me, or maybe a lot different. You guys know that I used to create so much content, changing things in the house, decorating for every season. But right now, I'm taking a pause. I'm enjoying the moment. I am letting the house get messy and then I clean it up. I am just living. Honestly, before I was so focused on, oh my God, kids, stop making a mess. Now I'm just living. And that is just a reflection of the time that I am in my life right now. But that being said, I enjoy this little Sunday reset and giving my home some love because it was much needed. For one of my Instagram campaigns with Tea Gallery, I actually moved the bar to this area to you put something in the other side. And honestly, I love the idea. So I moved it back here, and then just kind of clean it up, obviously, because dust accumulates in these areas. The hubby got me this beautiful orchid plant and I decided just to put it here. It's so pretty, you guys. I don't want it to die. And then I added a candle. I was smelling it because I'm obsessed with smelling candles. I also picked up the kitchen area, and here we're not gonna go super crazy because I want to add some summer touches and I have some ideas of what I want to do for summer in the kitchen, so stay tuned for that. But my little coffee bar area needed a little help and we kind of clear it out, clean it up, and I started decorating with items that I already had at home and a few new things that I picked up this year. So here's the new stuff. This cute little candle. I mean, how adorable. It is from Aldi and I think it was like $8.99. I had to have it. And I'm just gonna put it right here. Another item that I picked up this year, and if you're in the market for oil and vinegar dispenser, you need this one. They're so pretty and they're from Target. I'm gonna add this little lamp over here as well to add some light to this area. Honestly, look how cute and simple it looks. I'm loving it. I hope the hubby watches this video because Mother's Day is coming and I really want a new coffee machine. So please, babe, if you're watching, you already know. For the entryway, we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna wipe it down, make sure it's clean. And honestly, you guys, every Sunday I do this same routine. I reset the home, I make sure everything is in its place because then you start your week with a clean home, a clean mind. It is priceless. This beautiful base is oversized. It's from Sea Gallery. And I'm just gonna put it here with a little tray next to it, nothing much, and add some florals. And I think it's gonna look super nice for now in this area. I also got a vanity stool from Homary because your girl, it's finally gonna get a makeup vanity. It's not here yet, but wait for it. I'm finally gonna have a space to sit down, do my makeup, my skincare, and I found the perfect stool at Homary. So the hobby was helping me to put my new vanity stool together, and you guys, it was so pretty. Look at the acrylic detail. I love the modern design with the acrylic legs and then the velvet cushion, and Miss Kaylin already it's claiming my vanity stool, no baby girl. But anyways, ladies, if you're in the market for a new vanity stool, check this one out. Look how pretty. That's it for today's video. Now we have a clean home to start the week. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this little transformation and little changes that we did. And don't forget to come back and subscribe if you want to see my bathroom makeover next.